So today is Sunday, January, I don't know what day it is. Anyways, second day of the gate remodel, I don't know what you want to call it, but so what I've done is trenched out 18 inches of the asphalt, and you can see that I've had to raise it up quite a bit to make it level with that side, because I didn't want the gate the motor to have to pull the gate uphill. So it is almost perfectly level. You can see my string, my level string right there. Starts over there and goes to that side. So just got the concrete in there, and it is setting up now. So I got a little time before it starts to cure, or before it's cured enough to start to finish it. So I am just on standby, and we have the solar panels over here, which I've already put up, but and the motor will go right here. So I've cut some unistrut to compensate for where it takes a downslope there, where the asphalt meets the concrete, and so I'll mount the motor on there, and then I'll put the guide teeth, the sprocket teeth, along the fence, along the gate, and then at that point we should be. And then I have to get a battery, so I have to get a 24-volt battery. The motor is right here, and there's the sprocket for the motor, and then these are the guide teeth. So these will get pulled by that guy. So I have to mount these on the gate. There's 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think they're like 40 inches or something like that. And so that's what I gotta do. Oh, and I did set the pole for the keypad right here. So we just got finished setting this. Once it sets up, then I can mount the box for the keypad here, and then I'll mount it's a wireless keypad, so I don't need to run any wires or anything like that. I'll mount the keypad, and then that'll be pretty much it. So I should be able to finish this job tomorrow. I could probably finish it today if I really had to, aside from the battery, but I'll probably just kick back for a minute and let the concrete cure, and then finish it up tomorrow. So here we go.